everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Turtle Beach headset not turning on and how to fix it. First, all you need to do is to check the charging and the power. Make sure your headset is properly connected with a working USB charging cable and a power source. Verify also if the charging cable and power source are functioning correctly by testing them with another device. If the headset was deeply discharged, it may need a few hours of charging to show the signs of life. 2 is do hard reset. From the Stealth 600, press and hold the connect and mode at the button for 20 to 30 seconds. Now onto the 700 Generation 2, press and hold the Bluetooth and mode button simultaneously for about 20 seconds, and then after the reset, try turning on the handset on again. Third is the firmware update. Download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub software for operating system onto the Turtle Beach website, and then connect the headset to your computer via USB. And then open the Audio Hub and follow the prompts to update the headset's firmware. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.